guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hey. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You already know me. We're gonna get right into this video. So today this video is a Facebook ad video. Basically, it's not just for entrepreneurs, it's for people who want to get their content out there to a bigger audience and also expand their audience with people who are not following them or they have them as friends on Facebook. Same thing with YouTube ads and same thing with Instagram ads. Facebook has an ad account where you're able to basically reach a bigger audience. Now, just gonna give you kind of a brief of the benefits behind it, how it helps you, if I like it or not, my opinion behind it, do I use it, this thing like that. It's not gonna really be a long video, but hopefully this helps someone who wants to do Facebook ads or didn't know how it works. There's more information behind that. Now, starting off with a Facebook ad account, of course you have to have Facebook, and you will have to create your admin account. Admin account, of course, will be based off what you're wanting to promote and get out there to people. Now, once you create this admin account, you will be able to add posts. People will be able to like your business page, and people will be able to see photos, videos that are not to just people that are your friends. So once you create it, all you would do is basically either post something like a picture or video, or you can go ahead and click on promote. When you click on promote, Facebook kind of give you recommendations and different options on how you want to go about promoting this picture or video. Now, some of the options that they give you are either more website visitors, they also give you like booster posts, they also give you likes. So they give you different options on what you want to recommend. Now, of course, you click on whatever option that you want to do at that moment, and once you click on that, then you will go ahead and edit the photo and video, meaning you would choose out of your gallery of what photo and video you want to promote. You'll also be able to edit text, meaning that if you're having a sale, you want to say, hey, 50% off this item, that you're referencing in that picture. Or you want someone to check out your YouTube channel and say, hey, subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is my link. Click on it. So it's not really just for businesses. There's other content that you want to get out there. Same thing with gaming. Hey, this is my gaming channel. Go ahead and check this out. Follow me on, add me as a friend on Xbox, or follow me on Twitch or anything like that. So that's the good thing about Facebook. It's a very broad of wanting to get your content out there. But once you select your video, photo, and add your text, the next thing you would do is go ahead and move on to your audience. Now, Facebook has it to where you're able to choose the age of where you want to start and the age of where you want to end of people you want to reach out, okay? So if you wanted to reach out to teenagers, then you may do 13 to 18. Middle age, you may want to do, from 20 to 40. And older folks, maybe, it's just up to you on whatever you want people, the kind of audience that you want. You can really just set it to those type of audience to see your posts. Also, the next thing you can do is set it to location. If you want people just in the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, you can do that also. So you can really set the people who you want to grab attention from and the location that you want people to see and, either get orders or get subscribers from. So the next thing after that is you want to choose a duration. A duration is the time of the length that you want to promote that content. So duration means time. So if you want to have this post running for a week, then you can do that. But understand you're going to, of course, be charged for that week. So that's where it comes into your fee or your billing, I guess to say. So let's say you want this promotion to last for 2 days. And 2 days you want to charge for $2. So of course 2 days, $2, that's $4. So you'd be charged for $2 for 1 day and $2 the second day because that's for 2 days. In that time of choosing your dollar amount, Facebook will let you know how many people that post can reach. So that kind of gives you a heads up on how much you want to pay for your promotion. Of course, the more you pay, the more people will see, more people that Facebook would reach out to. So let's say that you do, I want my post to run for 2 days and I want to reach about 1.5 to 3.5K. So that can be, you know, maybe you need to pay $5 for those 2 days to reach that 1.5 or 3.5K people. Facebook will let you know that on the pricing and the duration of all of that, but it would actually give you an estimate of how many people will actually see your post. Not meaning that all those people will click on it, or not all those people will, you know, recognize it or just scroll past it, but it is how many people will have it on their timeline or will see it. But it may not just, you know, interact with your post, unfortunately. But that's the one thing about Facebook ads. It's just to get your content out there to people that don't know you and you don't know them. So, do I use Facebook ads? I did. In the beginning, for the first 3 months of my business, I used Facebook ads. I liked it in the beginning. It was doing wonders for me. It was doing wonders for my business. I was getting orders from it. But for some reason, I don't know if it was like the pictures I started doing or the videos I started doing, but I wasn't getting as much feedback. I wasn't getting as much traffic to my website or likes on my pictures. So it really wasn't benefiting me. So I kind of switched to Instagram ads, which I would definitely do a video on Instagram ads. But that's where I kind of focus my audience at, and that works out for me. So remember, what works out for me doesn't mean not, you know, what works out for me may not work for you. And the same way reverse, what works out for you may not work for me. But I'm just letting you guys know of what I do and how things going for me and my opinion on things. I love Facebook ads. It's just that in the long run, it's just started getting dead for me. It wasn't really getting my business anywhere or getting my content out to other people. But it's a very beneficial way to help you, especially if you're starting out. So I'm not downgrading Facebook ads. I love Facebook ads. It's just that over time, it just wasn't helping me. Okay, you guys? So hopefully that kind of gave you a brief description of how to do things. If you didn't understand the audience or the location or how you can edit your text, and if you didn't understand like the estimate of reaching out and how much you would pay, that is really just a brief description, guys. Hopefully that really helps you and kind of give you a brief on how Facebook ads work, you guys. And I hope you guys love this video. Really was a quick video. Definitely stay tuned and watch all my other videos, and I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.